Hey there, how are you doing? This is Kali from TechFanciers. In most of our custom ROM installation video or in the reviews as advantage, we tell that we have the unlimited Google Photos storage, as this custom ROM spoof the device as a pixel device. In this particular video, I just actually wanted to try whether this is unlimited or not. So let's get started. Yeah, currently I'm just trying this one particular feature on the Redmi Note 12 4G with the Pixel OS 16.2, and we have made an installation video on the review video which you can watch it using the card in the right side. So usually to back up all my photos and videos, I use this 5 TB Seagate external hard disk. I've been using this for almost the past 3-4 years. So in this instance, to currently test this particular one, I have copied almost 2300 plus files, which contains the 4K videos and the photos, which all size almost like 15.8 GB. So now we'll go to the Photos app and try to turn on the backup feature. So now I have turned on the backup feature, and I will just turn on the backup for this photos to update folder as well. So this one currently showing 2 hours of estimation. So let's just we come back once it started updated. So when it was uploading, I just frequently checked the storage that how much it has been used in the actual Google account. We normally will have the 15 GB of storage. I actually loaded some of the photos from other devices, which is 115 megabyte. So the thing is, once all the things are getting updated, or while it is getting uploaded, that particular storage should not increase. So yeah. So it's a day 2, and currently all the files whichever I had it in my folder has been uploaded, and I have noticed that the storage is still showing as 15 GB, and only 115 megabytes are showing as a photo storage, which means this particular feature is working fine. And also I have noticed that this is uploading the photo in the original quality, which is really great. So that's what about this video. Hope you find it useful. This is a short one, but I just want to try. So yeah, if you have any doubts, queries, and please feel free to comment below and leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. So yeah, code motto.